Welcome back to the Crypto Nest. So today, this morning, Sunday morning, we are having quite a red day. But if we look at the week, we still had a nice green week, and AGIX is the winner of the week up to now, and then I think he's not even done. So let's see what is he doing. I actually renamed or redid the waves to make it work even better. So he works even better because before I think I told you that all this let me take a brush. So before I said maybe this all movement it's a 1 and then we should get to this 2, which we didn't reach. So if I find a better count, it would be that maybe this is a 1 2 and we had multiples 1 2, and so if I do after a retracement of the fib from this beginning of this fourth 1 2, and I go to the end of the wave 1, so then the ideal target is this green one. I'm going to erase live with you the box, so you see all the changement I do. So we said wave 2, so it should be here. Sorry, I'm going to erase this one, and I'm going to go to the point 2, and then I erase this one so it's more clear. Okay, so we said this starting from here, this was the wave 1, and all this movement is the wave 2, and it did touch barely, but it did touch it. And you remember that here I did tell you if I do micro counting, this impulse can be a 1 and a 2, but this level it's an invalidation point, but it did hold, and then so we went higher, and then so it did work. So now this one I can also clean up a little bit, so our chart is going to be more clear, and we can see that now AGIX it went crazy high, and then also now I'm going to make the extension from the beginning of this wave 1 to the end of this wave, and I mean you cannot make up those things. I did draw because I did the chart yesterday, and I mean it just went in this area. So this is the 1.618, and the ideal target was 44.85 cents. The next target, they put 2.618 for the wave 5. It should be around 62.67. Well, let's say 62.5 cents. So let's start to label things so we remember the levels. So that should be level 5. This is the level 4. And well, now I am on the 1 hour chart, and then price doesn't even look like to be exhausted. So we'll see. I'm expecting now for sure a pullback. Maybe it started now, because as you can see the first candle was so impulsive. The second one, it's almost an emoji, like that it's almost at the middle. So bull and bears are fighting, and now now it's a little bit early. Actually, no, it's in 2 minutes. It's going to close this candle, so we can see that the price it's being suppressed. So I didn't want to do that. Okay, so maybe I can do this. Let me go bigger. I'm going to take out this fib extension, and then maybe I can. Maybe we have enough data to try to do this third fourth wave validation point. So this is the beginning of the third wave. So here, I don't know, I put fourth, but this is 3. Seriously? Okay, so this is the third wave, not the fourth. And once again. Alright, so now let's draw a box. What would be the normal retracement or ideal one? Would be the point 236 to the 0.5. And also it's kind of good because here we have kind of some history, very fresh history. And then this could be our next support. So honestly, I would put it here. So look at that. This week here, it's bend on the point 382 Fibonacci retracement. So I would say this is almost, yeah, pretty much sure it's going to go back here because it went so much high that it would be the best. But you know, you never know, and you can just also just go the minimum. So we will see. So I guess AGIX still has another potential to go higher, and then from the price we are here, ideally it can make another 40%, and I mean, this is amazing. Okay, so this is all, I think. Let me just go on the 1 day chart to see the indicators. Well, no surprise, the RSI, it's oversold. And the momentum, we have a strong momentum in MACD. So we, well, up to now, nothing make us believe that the price is going to reverse. If I go to the 1 hour, yeah, even the 1 hour were very strong, and we even we didn't even make a bearish divergence on the RSI because we could have done a higher high in price, but starting to make a lower high in RSI, but we are still not doing that. And then you remember when I said sometimes the market is going to move, but the coin is going to follow his path, and then it will not necessarily follow the market. And today we can see that the market is red, and AGIX it's somehow able and managed to do a plus 40% and plus. Alright, so this is all for today. Please subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell, and then leave some comments if you have any question. Alright, have a good Sunday.